Alright, here we go. New steps. It's looking a little brighter here. Look at our pretty new door. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Ooh, it's dark in here. Okay. Very dark. This is what's going to be the kitchen, laundry area, sitting area, foyer. That's going to be our office. Some light in here a little bit. Downstairs bathroom. New window. That is still a mess. Okay. Let's run upstairs quick. Cookie Monster blue paint still here. Okay, gutted. And this, insulation. This is going to be our new bathroom. Without the blue paint. Bye-bye, old tree. I shall miss you.